Yes, they are. Absolutely. That would be very helpful.
Not your cigar.
No, not my cigar. Not your cigar.
Can you tell me what kind of a scene you're working today?
Yeah, it's an unintended death, along with just a clean out as well. I wouldn't really call it a hoarding situation. More like, you know, gross filth cleanup with that as well.
And what kind of biohazards are you facing today?
Body fluids. I'm not even really sure how long the individual was here before they discovered him. I wouldn't think it was too long where we're at, but that's really all I have on as far as information goes. Just natural causes. I know it wasn't any foul play suspected or anything like that.
And it looks like there's a pile of dirty depends or diapers as well.
Yes. Yeah, I saw that right away when I came in. I'm actually kind of surprised it doesn't smell more inside here, but yeah, that'll go in biohazard containers and be taken out.
And do those masks work pretty well to block the smell?
Yeah, for the most part. I mean, I can smell, what I'm smelling right now is ash from the cigarettes that is laying there. I can smell that a little bit. Besides that, I don't smell anything at all.
So how many boxes do you typically use on a job?
Anywhere between 3 and 5 boxes, I think, is the norm.
What do you do with these boxes once you're finished with the job?
Well, we seal them up before we leave the site we're working. We take them out into the trailer. We transport them back to our office where we have a storage facility that we set them in until a licensed biomedical waste disposal company picks it up. We're contracted with the company to do that when we need it. We just give them a call or email, and within 5 days they're there to pick it up.
So Jeremy, what's the purpose of putting the black bag inside of the red bag?
It's just another layer of protection. Sometimes you're dealing with some liquids. Most time we'll get that solidified, but there can be some leakage. So it's another layer of protection. We put that inside the biohazard bag, so it's still identified as being a biohazard. Then we'll seal that up, seal the bags, wrap them, tie them up, and then we'll seal the container as well. That?
You want a can?
Yeah, I was thinking about it, then just space-wise, you know.
Now, Steve, what are you using to spray onto the biohazards?
It's a product called Rely-On. It's made by DuPont.
And is this just mixed with water?
You just mix it with water. We put 5 tablets per 2.5 gallons.
Any idea what the shelf life is once you mix it up?
About 24 hours.
Okay.
Is about all it's good for. Okay, we're going to give that a 15-minute soak time per the manufacturer. And then while that's soaking, we're going to go over here and apply it to the adult diapers and the clothing and everything here. And get that soak time started.
Now, will you need to remove each layer and reapply this to the layers underneath?
Yes, it's done layer by layer. So what Jeremy's doing now is spraying the top layer of it. We'll remove that, then spray the second layer.
Believe it or not, this isn't the worst I've seen,
Yeah.
actually.
One thing you'll notice though, when you're applying the Rely-On, a lot of times you're rehydrating the hazard in this case, and you'll get the smell. The smell will start to intensify just because you're rehydrating it.
Jeremy, how do you feel about rehydrating shit?
I love it.
I mean, is this the job you've always dreamed of?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And your parents are proud of you?
Yeah, absolutely. They think it's a great. My dad wants to come and do it. He's been asking for months to come on jobs. He wants to see this stuff.
So is your official title a shit rehydrator?
Yes, that is basically what it is. I might, yeah, probably do. This one's a little dull.
Steve, I notice he's doing most of the dirty work and you're standing back here in a more clean area. What's the relevancy in that?
Well, you want to try to maintain what we call a dirty tech and a clean tech. He's going to be working the scene for the most part where the biohazards are and everything. I'm going to try to stay as clean as possible to assist him in getting him tools that he needs, the biohazardous containers, anything he needs support-wise, I'm here for that. I can't do that if I'm in the scene with the biohazards.
So Jerry, I heard you say you needed another knife, so you would ask Steve then for another blade for your knife or anything that you might need while you're cleaning the actual scene itself.
Yeah, that's correct.
Got it.
You move that debris away from under the window there.
Yep.
Just sit
I'll put it up under there. Yep.
trying to get things staged before we can get the mess clean and push out of here.
Not too bad.
Wonderful discoveries.
Jeremy, will you remove everything else from this apartment, or are you just concerned with the biohazards?
For this job, we're removing everything, minus furniture that stays here. So a little dining table stays, dresser stays, everything else that went out, including the carpet in the bedroom. We'll cut that out as well.
And what's wrong with the carpet in the bedroom?
We probably just want to replace it. More likely, I don't see any biohazard on it or anything like that. I talked with the head supervisor here and asked him if he wanted that taken out, and he said, yes, please take it out. I mean, I can see some spots on it, you know, from like probably, who knows what it could be, food. Maybe the guy urinated on it, I'm not sure. It didn't look like it was used very often though. But we'll take that out as well, get rid of it. Yeah. This guy's not a sleeper, man. That'd suck. I'll trip on it. Yeah. That's comfortable for you. Set the chair inside of it. The mattress can go one over and then bags, but the rest of it will be bagged. We'll have to probably put these in the van, and then we can put some of the boxes on the back side and some in the front.
Oh, you want to take that down?
I think we should take the chair down and then get it in that open spot, or at least set it inside the low seat.
Okay, Jeremy, now that we've got all the biohazards out, how many boxes did you end up with of biohazards?
We actually ended up with 5 very heavy boxes. I think we're right on the brink of our 50-pound limit on 3 or 4 of them. Actually, we're right there.
Now, what will be the next step in this apartment?
Next step, with what we're supposed to do with this job, we're getting rid of the furniture that doesn't belong here, so we're taking that out, loading that up. We'll sweep up this floor, mop it up as well, get it cleaned up. We're also going to take the carpet out of that bedroom. After that, it's just going to be just a little touch up, and then we'll be out of here.
Now, will you clean the kitchen as well?
Get some of the stuff off the counter and stuff like that, wipe it down. Nothing hardcore though.